Originally, the warning adaptive headlight failure in your BMW vehicle should mean that the functions of bending lights and auto beam adjustment don't work. But in reality, this warning is almost always on the dash when there are problems with the headlight control module or TMS unit, and in 90% of cases this problem happens because of water ingress in the headlight in question. Unfortunately, when this happens, you don't have a lot of ways to fix the problem but to replace the headlight along with the control module. At first the message may be intermittent, so you start your vehicle once and you see the warning, the lights may or may not work properly, you start it next time and there is no warning, everything works properly. This is a clear indication that there is most likely water damage on the contacts or the control module inside the headlight. If you ask a dealership mechanic, they will tell you that the only way to properly fix this is to replace the headlight with the new one, which would cost over 1,000 euros, and they are not wrong. The headlights are repairable and you can replace the module or the light bulb that is freaking out, but for this you will need to take off the headlight, which requires a lot of work. So the labor costs for repairing the headlight will be quite high. Also, you should consider that a water damaged headlight may last a couple of weeks or month after repair and fail again because it's not properly sealed anymore, especially after repairs, and water will eventually damage the contacts, light bulbs and the module. So investing in repairs is not worth it in most cases, since after a short period of time you will have to pay for labor again and again. What you may try to reduce the costs is to get a used OEM headlight from eBay or any other place, but you will obviously need a good BMW compatible scanner or diagnostic software to register the new headlight in the system. Alternatively, if the problem is intermittent and all the important lights are working in your headlight, you may keep driving and ignore the message on the dash. No one knows how long this may last, and you may just save your money and postpone an expensive repair.